Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of minds in 2025: how to consolidate credit card debt without hurting your credit. If you're juggling high interest credit card balances and stressing about your credit score, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step so you can take control without any unnecessary damage. First off, what is debt consolidation? It's basically combining all your credit card debts into one single loan or account with a lower interest rate. This can make payments more manageable and potentially save you money in the long run. But the big question is, how do you do this without tanking your credit score? Start by checking your current credit report for free on sites like annualcreditreport.com. This gives you a baseline and helps you spot any errors. Next, explore options like balance transfer credit cards. These often come with a 0% introductory APR for 12 to 21 months, but make sure you can pay it off before the rate jumps. Another solid choice is a debt consolidation loan from a bank or online lender. In 2025, with rising interest rates, look for lenders offering competitive terms for good credit holders. Here's a key tip: always compare offers and read the fine print. Applying for multiple loans in a short period can cause a temporary dip in your score due to hard inquiries, so space them out or use pre-qualification tools that do soft pulls. Also, keep making on-time payments on your existing debts while you consolidate. That's crucial for maintaining your credit history. One common pitfall to avoid is taking on new debt while consolidating. Stick to a budget and consider working with a nonprofit credit counseling agency for personalized advice. They can negotiate with creditors on your behalf without harming your score. By following these steps, you can consolidate your debt effectively. Remember, the goal is financial freedom, not quick fixes. If you're ready to get started, check the links in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.